What's up, losers? It's me, Ember. And today I'm going to put handcuffs on someone. This is going to be fun. Ha 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 ha.
What's happening to me? Why?
Ha ha ha, you fell for my trap, didn't you, Preston? You've been hammocked by me. Joke's on you, dude.
Hey, Ember, are you out of your mind? Why did you handcuff me? Get me out of this crap now.
Ha 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 LOL. You will stay with handcuffs forever and ever. And there's no more chance to get off of that.
Ember, stop laughing at me right now. I said get me off of the handcuffs right now before I call your parents on you.
Well, Ember, I saw you handcuffs on Preston.
Yeah, I agree with my boyfriend Ace. First of all, what did he do to you? And second of all, this is not funny to do that to Preston.
Well, of course, it's funny. That's what you get for what he got one. So that's why I handcuff him a new Preston.
Well, I'm freeing Preston out of handcuffs using my key.
Hey, Preston, you can't do that to me. Why did you do that to him? Why?
Oh yes you can. You do not ever handcuff to innocent people, including me.
I agreed. So why did you just leave us alone and tell your parents on you?
Yeah, I agree on what Chloe said.
Me too. Now get out and tell your parents for what you did.
Okay, whatever you said, I'm out of here.
Ember, it is not necessary to handcuff Preston. You know that he didn't do anything wrong. You can't handcuff someone unless you're a police officer.
Your father is right. And guess what? You are grounded for 2 days. Go to your room.